December 9th, 2019. It's about 10 o'clock. It's snowing, and then tomorrow it's going to go down to 20 below. So I thought I'd let the dogs play in the snow a little bit and we can watch them. That is Oslo, and Coffee, and Buster. And over there is Whiskey. And by the steps is Sadie girl. Hi, Sadie. Yeah, I know you don't like the snow. The two young ones really like it. Oslo doesn't mind the snow. Whiskey, what do you got over there? Come here, Whisk. Yeah, they're saying we're only supposed to get about 4 inches of snow in the Twin Cities. But then the deep freeze is coming. Like I said, 20 below for Tuesday night, but the high is 0. And Wednesday is supposed to be another cold day with a high of 0 and below 0 for the lows. So winter is here. Coffee, where are you? Oh, there you are. You want to go in the house, Sadie Lou? Oh, Oslo. Come on, Oz. Come on, boy. Attaboy. Buster. That's Buster. He loves the snow. Whiskey! He has something over there he's hunting for. I don't know what that is. There's the two youngest ones. There's Oslo, who is a year old. And then there's Coffee, who's about 2.5 years old. Whiskey, come here! Whisk! I don't know what's over there. Oh, some play bows. Let's go over here in the side street. Okay, the camera's getting wet. I think I'm gonna go in, but just thought I'd give you a view of the snow. Okay, that's it for now, and probably won't be any for a little while because it's going to be too cold to have the dogs out, but let them play. Let's go in. Come on, Whiskey. Whiskey, come. Oslo, let's go in the house. Come on, boys. Oops. Okay, that's enough. See you later. Bye.